Welcome to HouseLux Estate, the perfect place for all things finance. We're here to unravel the complex world of finance and make it more accessible and understandable for everyone. From the ins and outs of investing to the nitty-gritty details of financial planning, we've got you covered. One of the topics that often mystifies people is private equity. But it's not as complicated as it seems. In fact, understanding private equity can unlock a world of opportunities. It's a powerful tool that can reshape businesses, fuel innovation, and potentially generate substantial financial rewards. Here at HouseLux Estate, we believe that knowledge is power. That's why we're committed to providing you with the information you need to navigate the financial landscape with confidence. Whether you're an investor looking to diversify your portfolio or a business owner seeking growth opportunities, understanding private equity can give you a competitive edge. Join us today as we uncover the secrets of private equity. To start off, it's crucial to understand what private equity actually is. At its core, private equity is a type of investment strategy where capital or money is directly invested into private companies or used to buy out public companies with the aim of converting them into private entities. Unlike public equity, where shares can be bought and sold openly in the stock market, private equity is not open to the public and is only accessible to accredited investors or investment firms. Now you may wonder why private equity is essential in today's financial landscape. Well, it's because it offers an alternative source of funding for businesses. It's especially beneficial for companies that need significant capital but are either not ready or don't want to go public. Private equity firms play an instrumental role in this process. These firms raise funds from various sources like wealthy individuals, pension funds, insurance companies, and endowments. These pooled funds, often known as private equity funds, are then used to invest in companies that show great potential. But it's not just about pouring money into these companies. Private equity firms often take a hands-on approach. They work closely with the management of the companies they invest in, helping them improve operations, streamline processes, and expand their footprint. This active involvement helps to boost the value of these companies. And now we come to the end goal of private equity. After a few years, usually between 4 to 7 years, the private equity firm exits the investment, either by selling the company to another firm or taking it public. This is where the substantial rewards come in. The aim is to sell for a much higher price than the initial investment, generating a significant return for the investors. So in essence, private equity is about investing in potential, transforming businesses, and reaping substantial rewards. It's a long-term strategy that requires patience, expertise, and a knack for spotting opportunities where others may not see them. Now that we have a basic understanding, let's delve into the process of private equity. Picture this process as a journey that starts with gathering the necessary resources for travel, selecting the ideal destination, ensuring a smooth journey, and finally, returning home with the rewards of the adventure. In the realm of private equity, this journey is a bit more complex and involves 4 critical stages: sourcing funds, identifying potential investments, monitoring and improving the performance of these investments, and finally, exiting the investment. The first stage is sourcing funds. This is the gathering of resources for the journey. Private equity firms raise funds from various sources, including institutional investors like pension funds, insurance companies, and endowments, as well as high net worth individuals. These funds are pooled together into a private equity fund, ready to be invested. Next comes the stage of identifying potential investments. This is akin to selecting the ideal destination for our journey. Private equity firms look for companies with potential for improvement or growth. The goal is to find companies that, with the right resources and strategic guidance, can significantly increase in value. This process involves rigorous due diligence, including deep dives into the company's financials, market position, and management team. The third stage is monitoring and improving the performance of these investments. Think of it as ensuring a smooth journey. Once a private equity firm invests in a company, it doesn't just sit back and watch. Instead, it takes an active role in guiding the company, employing various strategies to improve its performance. This could involve restructuring operations, implementing new technologies, or even making changes to the management team. The end goal is to enhance the company's value. Finally, we reach the stage of exiting the investment. This is the return home, the culmination of our journey. After a period of typically 5 to 7 years, a private equity firm will look to exit the investment. This is done through various methods, such as selling the company to another firm, selling shares through an initial public offering, or even selling it back to the existing management. The aim is to realize a significant return on the initial investment. As you can see, private equity is a meticulous process that requires strong analytical skills and strategic thinking. It's not merely about buying and selling companies. It's about identifying potential, driving improvement, and ultimately, generating value. It's a journey that can be incredibly rewarding, not just for the private equity firm and its investors, but also for the companies that are transformed in the process. Private equity firms play a pivotal role in this whole process. They are the maestros conducting the orchestra of investment, guiding the flow of capital and shaping the future of businesses. To understand their role, let's first delve into what these firms do. At the core, private equity firms raise funds from investors, often referred to as limited partners. These partners may include pension funds, endowment funds, or wealthy individuals. The firms then use these funds to acquire stakes in private companies, or sometimes to take public companies private. Now, these firms don't just inject capital and watch from the sidelines. They are actively involved in managing and directing these investments. They work closely with the management of the companies they invest in, devising strategies to improve business operations, drive growth, and ultimately increase the company's value. One of the key ways private equity firms transform businesses is through a process known as leveraged buyouts. Through this, the firms acquire companies using a combination of their own funds and borrowed money. Once they take control, they work to improve the company's performance, streamline its operations, and increase its profitability. The goal is to eventually sell the company at a higher value, repaying the borrowed money and pocketing the difference as profit. But it's not just about profits. Private equity firms can also serve as a lifeline for struggling companies, providing them with the much-needed capital and strategic guidance to turn things around. Moreover, by investing in a diverse range of sectors, these firms promote innovation and growth across the economy. They help companies to expand, create jobs, and contribute to economic development. So the role of private equity firms is not just about managing investments. It's about transforming businesses, generating substantial returns for investors, and contributing to economic growth. Thus, private equity firms serve as the catalysts, driving growth and innovation in businesses. Let's recap what we've learned today. We embarked on a fascinating journey to understand the complex yet intriguing world of private equity. We started by defining private equity as a type of investment where capital is directly invested into private companies or used to buy out public companies, taking them private. We highlighted that the primary aim of private equity is to invest, grow, and ultimately sell companies for a significant profit. In this alternative investment class, the potential for high returns is quite significant, making it a desirable venture for those who can stomach the inherent risks. We then delved into the process of private equity, which is a meticulous and strategic one. It begins with raising funds from high net worth individuals and institutional investors. These funds, often running into the billions of dollars, are then used to acquire businesses in sectors believed to have high growth potential. Once acquired, the private equity firm works diligently to improve the company's performance and profitability. This could involve anything from optimizing operations to making strategic acquisitions. Ultimately, the goal is to sell the company or take it public through an initial public offering, generating a substantial return on investment. We also explored the crucial role of private equity firms, acting as the orchestrators of this intricate process. They identify potential investment opportunities, raise the necessary capital, manage the acquired businesses, and eventually facilitate their exit. Their expertise and strategic oversight are critical to the success of the investment. In conclusion, private equity is a dynamic and potentially lucrative investment avenue. It involves the direct investment into companies with the goal of improving their performance and selling them for a profit. The role of private equity firms is crucial in this process, from raising funds to managing the companies and orchestrating their exit. Understanding private equity can open up a world of investment opportunities. Don't forget to subscribe to HouseLux Estate for more insightful finance content. Until next time, keep investing.